How to grant background permission for MI Fitness app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can grant background permission for MI Fitness app. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, make sure that you have the MI Fitness app. After you download the app, there should be nothing else that you can do to grant permissions. Now, if you still need to grant permissions because it does not work in your iPhone, this is how you do it. Head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, simply scroll down. There you'll find screen time. Head over to screen time. Under screen time, you can scroll down again until you find content and privacy restrictions. Head over there, and after you're there, you will see different options. You can scroll down. After you scroll down, you will see background app activities on the bottom. Tap on it and make sure that you have tapped on allow. After you've done that, you are basically good to go. This allows all the apps for background app activities changes, and yeah, that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.